First time for everything.
Oh, we have to yell.
I hope this is good. It came with it. That's got to be better than the stock one.
Yeah.
Like the inbuilt one.
What's zoom, off, and gun mean?
I don't know.
Are we just saying where the average goes?
Do you want to say why we're doing this channel?
Is this thing on?
Hey guys, I'm Joey.
I'm Caleb.
And together we're the Average Joes. We've created this channel because YouTube we find is full of big sponsors, high budgets.
Yeah.
And I guess we just wanted to bring some averageness to YouTube. We're both chippies.
Very average.
Yeah, pretty average.
Not much money.
Yeah.
But we have a shed.
We got Caleb's dad's shed, which we work out of.
Our goal is really just to inspire you guys, you know, have a bit of fun, break up the monotony that life brings. We both stopped working Fridays to do this, so
yeah. So we're gonna be hooking into some cool builds and just having some fun.
Learning, like we both haven't done much in the automotive, as Joe said, we're chippies, so we know how to build a house, but that's about it.
So stay tuned, guys.
We'll see you soon. Well, you know, we're building a 40, so today we're gonna do just a bit of bog work, get these panels looking sweet, cut a bit of rust out, some bullet holes.
Beautiful.
Let's get into it.
What car is it? What's the chassis?
This is a 1978 HJ45. Running the H engine, diesel, 4-speed. Yeah, what you see is what you get.
Beautiful. So what have you already done to the chassis?
So this is blasted and 2-pack, so it's pretty well ready for the tub to go back on.
It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I
Awesome.
can't wait.
So we're gonna hook into this today.
Yeah.
Get the tub looking good.
I mean, you know me, I'm just a carpenter having a go, so
that's us.
Look, we really don't know what we're doing, but here we are.
Love it.
Yeah, it's sick.
All right, let's hook in.
Oh yeah.
The makeshift bog folder, baby.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Oh, look at that, mate. Give that a clean.
Oh yeah.
That'll do us nicely.
How much hardener do you need is the question.
2%.
$2. I don't know if that's enough.
Do a little bit more.
Oh yeah. All right, tell me what you just said.
2 dunks on the wide spatula.
Very calculated. Go. Go.
1 circle. 1 1/4.
Okay.
Screw that back on. Got the shakes from too much coffee and the adrenaline from mixing in the bog. Give that a swirl. Yeah. And you always want to be working the middle so it doesn't get all over your new workbench.
Always want to be working the middle.
Dad's clipboard.
Let's go.
Your mum's cooking spatula.
Yep.
Until I've done this a few times there. You know what they say.
What do they say? You don't even know what they say.
I don't know what they say.
All right, let's get.
We wouldn't be doing this.
Let's get this.
Right,
let's
hustle,
get this bog on, mate. Come on.
We got a dream, baby.
We got a dream, boy. So apparently you can't sand the whole car down with the electric sander, and that kind of sucked, if I'm honest. I figured that out the hard way. But this long job,
Well, we had a fight. Our first
domestic.
extra dust off, and then we'll tack it down and get
Sick.
some primer on there.
It's looking awesome, mate.
I was gonna say get some colour on. I wish.
Nah, next week though.
Next week. Yeah.
Next
Colour
week.
Next week.
Looking good, bro.
You gotta be frothing, eh? Day one.
Definitely. All right, let's get some primer on this.
There you have it.
All primed.
That's pretty good for an old cruiser. Couple little things, but hey.
It's looking great.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, boy.